Basic audio editing. You can drag and drop, cut, copy, and paste audio data within Cakewalk. Here is a song that contains audio and MIDI data. Let's copy a section of audio to a new location. To do this, we will hold down the Alt key and drag the mouse over the Clips pane to select the area of audio we wish to edit. Remember to release the Alt key after the mouse button. To select more precisely, you can enable the Snap to Time button, which we'll try later. Now hold down the Control key. Click the mouse on the selected audio and drag into the new location. We now made a copy of the selected audio region. For more accurate audio editing, you should use the Audio view. Select the audio track or tracks you wish to edit by clicking on the track number to the left of the track pane. Control-click on the track numbers to select more than one track. To bring up the audio view, you can either right-click and select Audio from the Inspector menu, press the Audio View button from the View toolbar, or select View Audio. We are now going to split this audio event at measure 5. First, select the Scissors tool. Now shift-click on the Snap to Time button, select Measures for our snap resolution, and press OK. We will now move our Scissors tool to measure 5 and click with the mouse. This will split the audio into two events at measure 5. You can copy data within the audio view as well. To select an entire event, just click on it. You can also select a section of the event. To do so, simply hold down the Alt key and drag over the section of audio you wish to copy. You can either Control-drag to copy a piece of audio to a new location, or select Edit and Copy. If you select Edit Copy, move your cursor to the new location where you want the clip to go and select Edit Paste. You can draw volume changes on audio in the Audio view. To do this, select the Line Draw tool and drag the cursor across the section of audio you wish to edit. We will change the volume of this section of audio. You can also change the volume of the entire audio track by dragging the cursor up or down over the track number which appears on the left side of the audio view. Scrubbing audio allows you to get to the exact point in your audio that you wish to edit. To do this, select the Scrub tool. Click on the audio waveform and move the mouse to the left or right until you find the correct spot where you wish to perform the edit. Once you've found the correct spot, right-click with the mouse and select Split to cut the audio at the now time. To ensure that your edits will not contain any clicks or pops, use the Snap to Zero Crossing button, located to the right of the Snap to Time button. Using this feature will allow you to cut audio at 0 crossing points where the audio is silent. This will prevent clicks and pops in your audio edits. To the right of the Snap to Zero button is the Pick Tracks button. This allows you to pick the tracks you want to display in the current view. The Zoom buttons allow you to zoom in or out, helping you see events in detail when performing edits. Shift-clicking on these buttons will toggle between the minimum and maximum zoom levels. These three buttons allow you to select how to display time information in either measures, beats, ticks, hours, minutes, seconds, frames, or samples. For more on audio editing, please refer to the Cakewalk User's Guide.